It's a good afternoon here in Uganda. We have this recipe which is cassava leaves. We are going to prepare our cassava leaves. I will be adding saltfish to our cassava leaves. There are few ingredients which we are going to use. We will be using saltfish. There is green pepper, garlic, and ginger also for the flavorful recipe. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. We are going to add in cooking oil, as we are going to use palm oil, which is suitable for this recipe. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our cassava leaf. For the new viewers, please, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate. Continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows by viewing our videos, liking, drop sweet comments. Let's prepare our lunch. It's a lunch. We'll be pairing it with rice. You can pair it with any type of food of your choice. Let's cook our cassava leaves. Those are a few ingredients. We have green pepper, ginger, garlic, and onions. So let's prepare. We'll be pounding using a mortar and a pestle. So it's now time to organize our green. It's now time to organize our cassava leaves. We are going to wash it with hot water. Then after, I will be showing you another process of cooking our nutritious recipe of the day. We are going to use hot water to wash our leaves. So as you can see, we are done. We are going now to wash using our hot water. So let's prepare our nutritious recipe of the day. This is our hot water. This is our mortar, our cassava leaves. As you can see here, it's now soft. We are going to remove it from water and pound it. So this is where we are going to prepare it from. We need also to put water on fire. Meanwhile, we are pounding our cassava leaves. It's a bit long process, but very nutritious recipe and very delicious. For those who know, they can tell us more. So let's prepare our cassava leaves. This is how we do it. We use a mortar and a pestle for pounding our cassava leaves. These are the ingredients. We have garlic, there is ginger, this is our onions, we have onion, there is also green pepper. We will be adding also our pepper after, which is hot pepper. Let's prepare our flavorful cassava leaves. Stay tuned. We need to learn different recipes from all over the world. So we are there pounding, as you can see. For the hot pepper lovers, they also add in hot pepper. You pound it with all the ingredients. Stay tuned. Watch our video until the end. We have a lot of videos on this channel. Our channel is all about cooking. We are cooking different recipes from all over the world, so stay tuned. Today we are having our cassava leaves. We'll be mixing cassava leaves with saltfish. You can add in saltfish dry, which is that. You can also add in meat, the smoked meat, smoked fish. So let's enjoy our day with cassava leaves. This is our water. It's there cooking. It's now ready. We are going to add in our cassava leaves. Whenever you cook cassava leaves, you need to cook water first. Let it boil. Then you add in your leaves after pounding. I think you can see our leaves are now ready. We are going to add it to our saucepan and cook for lunch. cassava leaf is here cooking well. A nutritious meal, nutritious recipe. As you can see, this is our our cassava leaves. We are going to add in fish and cooking oil. I added again some water so that our cassava leaves can cook well. You need to add in water 2 times. You know, cassava leaves are hard. Our fish is here. This is our saltfish. Now clean. We are going to remove these scales. Let's unscale our fish. Let's add in our cooking oil. This is palm oil. We are adding palm oil to our cassava leaves. It goes well with palm oil. So let it cook. As you can see, let's add in our fish. To our cassava leaves. So stay tuned, let's cook. Then I will be showing you another process of serving it. So our cassava leaves are here ready. Let's add fish, then we wait for another 20 minutes, then we'll be serving our stew, a healthy and nutritious stew. Cassava leaves with saltfish. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. As you can see, our cassava leaves are now ready, mixed with saltfish, which is tilapia. So let's serve. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows. This is our fish. This is our salt fish with cassava leaves. Stay tuned. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. See you after grabbing.